Hello, Amos here. You guys know I love talking about careers, right? So at Lifetime Academy and Life LLC, we like asking the question, what do you want to do with the life you've been blessed with, right? We love asking our students that question. And so today I'm going to be talking about a career or like choosing a career in medical physics or radiology or cardiology in terms of long-term thinking for students. I'm a medical physicist. I have my master's degree in medical physics and medical health physics, and my bachelor's degrees in chemistry with a minor in philosophy. And today I want to talk briefly about the path to becoming a diagnostic medical physicist or a therapy physicist if you want. Um, while we're on that topic, radiologists and cardiologists interact with medical physicists, so I'm going to talk a little bit about that. But I have some friends in that field, and if you need to get connected to someone in that field, let me know, and I'll see if they'll be willing to set up a Zoom call or something. So let's talk briefly about medical physics. So first of all, if you want to become a physicist, or if you want to become an engineer or a chemist, there's actually initial pathways that are very similar. So let's start. Let's start from the top here. So first of all, you need to get a 4-year degree. But part of what we do at Lifestem Academy is to reduce your 4-year college degree time by giving you CLEP preparation in chemistry, in calculus, in the general courses you might need to take. And so we want to slash this down into 2 to 3 years, okay? So at Lifestem Academy, that's what we do. But let's just talk about 4-year degree. 4-year degree in what? So if you want to become a medical physicist, you need a 4-year degree in physics, ideally, is what I would recommend, right? So if you get a 4-year degree in physics, that would be a good idea, right? So physics, chemistry, mathematics, but then you have to get a master's degree in medical physics if you want to become a medical physicist. Some people then go on to get a PhD, and then they have to sit for something called board certification. Now, here's where things get a little tricky. Master's degree, you have to do a residency. Okay, so you go 4 years here, you go 2 years here, and then you do a residency here, which could be another 2 to 3 years here. Okay, so you have residency time. I think it's about 2 to 3 years. I haven't looked at it recently, but that's what you would need to be doing. It's about planning another 2 to 3 years of residency, and then the question of boards comes up. You have to take the part 1, the part 2, and the part 3 in order to be ABR board certified. You can be a medical physicist without being board certified, however. But why is this important? Because you notice that there's a long pathway here to get to a board certification. So you have to start thinking ahead if you want to be a medical physicist. So I'm going to be doing something I call a medical physics club. Even though I'm not doing full-time medical physics work as much anymore, I am going to be training the next generation of medical physicists. So I have a book here called The Physics of Radiology. We have other books from my graduate work that we can look at. Get you comfortable with understanding radioactivity. Make sure that you understand radiation safety protocol and all of those details and the things that medical physicists do. So even if you're in middle school now, if you think you love the idea of math and physics and people and hospitals and radiology all combined, then maybe you should consider medical physics. And we should begin to train you get into calculus so you can do your physics, so you can do your physics too, so you can do quantum mechanics and so on and so forth. It's good to have a plan. So that's what I'm trying to get at with this medical physics idea. I'm going to use the Medical Physics Club to help people understand and appreciate the field of medical physics. Now, if you want to become a radiologist or cardiologist, you would also have to get a 4-year degree, pre-med degree. Then you go to med school for 4 years. Then you do your residency. Then you will do a fellowship, depending on what you're looking at doing, right? So again, some of these fields take a lot of time, and there's nothing wrong with things taking a lot of time. You just have to take it one day at a time. Whatever the case, though, notice that it's important that you try to find the pathway now. Do some job shadowing, do some reading, watch some videos about different professions, ask questions, attend the events that people do, career fairs. We're going to do a career fair at Lifestem Academy where we invite parents to share what they do and if they love what they do, things like that. So please stay tuned for those opportunities. It is good to have a goal. You can always pivot if you need to, but you can never go wrong with getting your math in order. You can never go wrong. And so I want to end with this quickly as I remind people of some of what we're doing this fall. We have after-school tutoring for math and science and English from 4 o'clock to 7 p.m. Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays. We want to get the opportunity to help students who need review in math or science. And we also want to help those who are the best at their school to go to the next level. That's why we do things like the Gen Math Tournament, which is on October 23rd, Mole Day. And then the spring tournament is on Pi Day. So on Mole Day and Pi Day, I have a special math tournament called the Gen Math Tournament. Gauss Euler-Newton Math Tournament. And the idea is to, just explore some fun math problems using the CLEP College Algebra and CLEP Pre-Calculus book as our practice ground. And then also Leonhard Euler's book, The Elements of Algebra. So, if you want to flourish in math, please send me an email. If you want to flourish in, beyond where you're at in science and math, let us know. What are your career goals? Where are you headed in life? Maybe you can leave it in the description below. And if you are maybe an older person who has finished high school and you're still trying to figure out what to do with your life, let us know how we can help, because we have our school of, I call it School of Medical Sciences, but basically we have a campus in Grand Forks that has a lot of people with medical training that can provide you with some anatomy and physiology and biology and psychology and neuroscience guidance. And so anyways, we have those opportunities that we could use to help you grow and advance in the field that you're interested in. Whether you want to be an x-ray tech or a nurse or a doctor, let us know and we can guide you along the way. Just wanted to make this quick video talking about a career, some career paths. We'll be doing more and more of this. What is your goal in life? And if you have any questions, let me know. But I will be in touch with another series of videos. Feel free to subscribe and follow us on this journey as we share about different professions. Take care and have a blessed day.